Oh, it's Lauren kicking.
We made it back. It looks like them, on the other hand, they gave up and one person jumped in and one person's being the motor.
It's Lauren.
They're so far back there. Paddle, paddle! Here they come. Lauren jumped out to paddle. Kelly's got the double-sided paddle. No, wait, does they even have the other paddle anymore?
Yeah, Melissa has it.
Why aren't they using it?
I don't know. Now Kelly looks like she's jumping in. Melissa's gonna kill someone.
I think Kelly's overboard. No, is she?
Not yet. Yeah. No.
Kelly went overboard. Wait, is it deflating? No, it looks like it's got enough air. They're just giving up.
Other side, Melissa. Other one. Other side. They're gonna start pulling Melissa. Oh my god.
How long before Melissa's overboard too? They're getting sucked in by the current, going the other way. Should one of us go out there on this? Oh, you got the dragonfly on your foot.
Ah!